say I never dare to think about you in that way, but I would be like that in the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked out to something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer of a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? And I could say I never unzipped those blue Levi's inside my head, but that's far from the truth. Constellations of stars, mules on city walls. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked on to something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? 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 Do you feel the love?
Chart at says, you are here today all because of your courage to seal and sanctify in the sacrament of marriage the love that God has entrusted to your care. At sigurado naman tayo, walang pumilit sa inyo.
From the moment I've met you, I've never knew my life was about to change. Today, as I stand here with you, I feel a sense of peace and excitement, knowing that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.
We've been together for exactly 11 years today. Today, as we stand here, I vow to continue this journey with you in every challenge and blessings that life may bring.
Be a good wife.
Lagi pa.
I may not be the perfect man, but I promise to be the perfect husband for you. I promise to you and to your parents that I will never hurt you.
You have shown me what it means to be loved. You see me for who I am and accepted my flaws and embraced me for who I am. With that, I am forever grateful.
Today, I choose you to spend our forever with, and I will choose you again and again without doubt in every moment of our lives. I love you.
Chart, ito si Ces, grasya ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Ces, ito si Chart, grasya ng Diyos sa buhay niyo. At makikita niyo lamang grasya ang bawat isa, first of all, if you recognize Jesus in each one.
Today, I take you as my husband, partner, and best friend. I cannot wait to see where this beautiful journey takes us. With all my heart, I promise to be yours now and forever.